had a three-way dance-off. So if, girls, if you guys can go ahead and take the stage. Number 223, 237, and 252. So this is in the 8 to 11 Tamahine advanced category. So just to clarify the way this works, it's a little different from our two-way dance-offs where the judges just pick one person. Because there are three contestants here, the judges will score again with the detailed scoring. Yeah, so in a three-way dance-off, they can't just choose one, they do have to score again. Judges, ready? All right, judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers.
Tough job for the judges.
Tough job, but good job, girls, for making their job